How to activate your home hardware credit card. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to see how you can easily activate your home hardware credit card. For that, you first have to simply go ahead and open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for home hardware credit card. Hit enter and you'll be able to see the home hardware credit card services. You could also add a keyword login on your search. Now you'll find this from the Citibank online. You can just go ahead and click on financial services here to log into your account. Now just click on the login button at the top right. And then from here, you'll have to provide your email address and then your password. And finally, you can just click on this login button here. Now, if you forgot your password, click on this forgot password button and you should be able to recover your account. They'll send you a reset link on your email. And if you click on the show button, you can view your password and finally click on login. Then here, after you've logged in, you'll find your credit card options. There, you'll just have a button to activate it. Follow the on-screen prompts and you should be able to activate your credit card. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And I'll see you guys on the next video.